Hello guys, I just remodeled this bedroom. This is my kids' room and look what surprise gift I got for them. I got these color changing lights here in their room and I'm gonna be making a video that's an unboxing. And explain to you guys how you could install this into your bed. It's actually really simple and it only costs like 25 bucks for this whole setup. Hello guys and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to be talking about this lights here. This is LED lights that come with remotes. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I actually want to talk a little bit about it. Now it is marketed towards lighting up your bed and that's actually what I'm going to do in this video. Hey, what would you use it for? I think this could be used for lighting up your Sprinter sleeper. This could be used for doing some accent lighting for your kitchen, and I've even seen some Euro walls where like you could put it like inside of your crown moldings and stuff, and then some in the drywall, so that kind of looks cool. And you could probably do like an underglow of your sports car, show car, or something like that. Probably could do that, or interior of your car. So anyways, let's take a look. So we're opening it up here. We got a lot of, looks like sticky tabs. Looks like we're going to be needing a lot of them. We have a power brick adapter. Kind of looks like a Samsung type of adapter, but it's not. Same shape. Here's another power adapter. This is the portion that you plug in the power adapter into and the USB adapter. Well, obviously the lights and the USB to the power wall. And this same device here, this is the one that talks to your remote. So it needs to kind of be in a visible place, but mine's underneath the bed and it still works. So we have a USB adapter here as well. So this is actually, you know, what it plugs into. I just unplugged it. So, you know, there it goes. Okay, so that being said, there's two of them because the bed has, you know, two sides, so two of them. There's total of two remotes. Check it out. Obviously, you could control the different colors, I guess, of each bed. What are they going to light up as? And now we have two rows of LED strips. Let's try to grab that and then boom. So, anyways, we have like a little instructional here. This one gives you instructions of what all this does for the remote. And this does give instruction, you know, this switch indicator daylight, PR sensors, dimming. So there's a dimmer switch over here, which is kind of awesome. Okay, so that's the dimmer portion right there. 10% to 110%. Okay, so we got power interface, we got light with interface. Here's the output. All right, so anyways, this is fair enough. Okay, so one thing I will say is these remotes do come with batteries. You'll need to pull out these plastic tabs, which we're going to do right now. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's open up the light source. So, anyways, this comes all wrapped up. This is the LED strip itself. Let's see how long it is. Oh, first of all, this is going to be very easy. Look, it's got 3M tape right at the, you know, on top of it here. So, when you actually install it, you just peel it and install it. So, hey guys, the length of this is 80 inches long. This is not just LEDs, but just a whole piece that you stick down on your bed. So this is actually perfect for the bed because it is 80 inches long if you got a queen bed. Guys, the installation was super simple. As I showed you before, it came with two rolls of LED lighting. And you basically unroll the entire roll. It's actually 80 inches long. That's the entire length of the bed. So you stick it right on the board that's right underneath there. With its sticky tape that's already included. That's by 3M. and it's actually sticking like really well. And what I did is, you have to first kind of like think about like where your electric switches are going to be. Like my outlets is towards the back of the bed, so obviously that's where I want the electricity to be plugged in. So I simply unrolled the entire roll and then started from once I actually unrolled it right here from the back, and I just carefully keep sticking it down the edge a little bit further on the inside of the bed. That way it's not going to be visible from where you're looking at. So it's going to be shooting the lights straight down, and then of course you could change all the lights with the remote. You could choose any colors that you want, which is very, very, very convenient. And of course kids are going to completely love it. It does come with 2 remotes, and each remote can control both of those lights. So that's actually kind of cool that it's not one remote per side, it's 2 remotes controlling each light. Now, if you do want to control just one side, you can simply kind of like walk away from the sensor that's controlling on the other side, and it's going to stay that color when you actually change one other color. It could be done. I've done it here in this video. So as I said in the beginning of my video, this is just $25 setup, which is really cheap to impress your kids. And I showed this to my kids and they completely loved it. So now keep in mind, guys, this does connect with a USB type of outlet type of system. So if you have a USB in your car, you could also plug this up in your car and anywhere else you got the USB. And of course we are using a power brick adapter that the USB plugs into for this bed. And right now you're actually watching the demo mode. It just kind of goes with all colors.
Привет, ребят! Сегодня я буду вот этими пультами управлять кровать.
Вау, ну покажи ребяткам, что у тебя тут есть.
Я вам сейчас вот это включать. Вот так. Какой ты цвет хочешь?
Вау!
И вот это я покажу. У меня есть тут крутой цвет. Вот это. Ну, я такой брал. И тут. Вот так. И вот так. Такой цвет не видели.
Ух ты, а это какой? Называй цвета какие?
Это белый, это синий, это красный, это светлый. А вот это вот синий желтый, это желтый, а вот это красный, а вот это зеленый, а это...
Покажи, это у тебя пульт такой, да?
Да.
А ну, ближе.
Вот.
Так вот. Вау, и ты пультом, в общем, управляешь, у тебя цвета, да, разные?
Ой, посмотри. Та-дам!
У тебя 2, один Кевану, да, братику твоему?
Ну, хочешь управлять? Привет. Я могу включить вот это.
Вау, Кеван, и твоя сторона горит, да?
Вот это красный.
Красиво. А ну, Кеван, ты расскажи что-нибудь.
Вот это красный, это тебе.
Угу. В общем, это ваша спальня, да? И вот вы такие себе приклеили красивые огоньки, да?
Какой ты теперь
Лайтс
хочешь?
такие, свет, лампочки.
Какой ты цвет хочешь?
Green.
Опять. Вот.
Blue.
Окей.
This is Litecoin.
Угу.
Litecoin.
Ну, какой ты хочешь цвет? Какой ты
А какой у тебя еще там есть?
желтый?
О, желтый есть. Давай желтый нам покажи.
Ой, желтый. Вот это желтый. Я.
Вот желтый, да. Он похож как бы на зеленый тоже. Пока.
Пока! Габросы, пока!
Bye.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.